Drone technology is changing the way business is done in Kenya. What was once considered an expensive gadget used mainly for photography is now becoming an essential business tool in agriculture, construction, surveying, and real estate. Across the country, large-scale farmers are using drones to increase productivity, reduce losses, and make better decisions. At the same time, luxury real estate developers and property marketers are using drones to showcase properties in ways that were impossible a few years ago. As technology becomes more affordable and awareness increases, drone services are creating exciting business opportunities for entrepreneurs. A single drone can provide services that save clients time, reduce costs, improve efficiency, and increase profits. This makes drone-based businesses attractive because they solve real problems while generating significant income for operators. Kenya's agricultural sector remains one of the largest contributors to the economy. Large farms growing tea, coffee, sugarcane, wheat, maize, avocados, macadamia nuts, flowers, and vegetables face challenges such as pests, diseases, rising labor costs, and changing weather patterns. Many of these challenges can be managed more effectively using drone technology. On the other hand, Kenya's luxury real estate market continues to grow, particularly in areas such as Nairobi, Karen, Runda, Kidisuru, Kiambu, Naivasha, Nanyuki, Diani, and Mombasa. Property developers and agents constantly seek innovative ways to market premium properties and manage projects efficiently. This combination of growing demand from agriculture and real estate creates a unique opportunity for specialized drone service providers. P-style equals line height 115, 0.000%, margin 0. 0000 in 0px 0, 0972 in 0px. One of the most profitable drone services is precision crop health monitoring. Large-scale farmers need accurate information about the condition of their crops. Traditionally, farm managers would walk through fields to inspect crops manually. While this method can work on small farms, it becomes difficult and expensive when dealing with hundreds or thousands of acres. Modern drones equipped with advanced cameras can fly over large areas and collect detailed information about crop health. These drones capture images that reveal issues that may not be visible from the ground. For example, a drone can identify sections of a field experiencing water stress, nutrient deficiencies, disease outbreaks, or pest attacks before the damage becomes severe. Imagine a large maize farm covering several hundred acres. Without drone technology, identifying a problem in one section of the farm could take days or even weeks. During that time, pests or diseases could spread and cause major losses. With drone monitoring, a farmer can receive detailed reports within hours and take immediate action. This service is particularly valuable because farmers are increasingly focused on maximizing yields while reducing costs. By identifying problems early, they can apply fertilizers, pesticides, and other treatments only where needed. This reduces waste and improves efficiency. For a drone operator, crop health monitoring can become a recurring source of income. Farms require regular monitoring throughout the growing season, meaning clients may need services several times per year. Depending on the size of the farm and the level of analysis provided, a drone operator can earn thousands or even hundreds of thousands of Kenya shillings from a single client annually. Another highly profitable niche is agricultural drone spraying. Labor shortages and rising operational costs are encouraging many commercial farmers to adopt precision spraying technology. Drone spraying allows pesticides, fungicides, herbicides, and liquid fertilizers to be applied accurately and efficiently. Unlike traditional spraying methods that may involve tractors or manual labor, drones can access difficult terrain and operate without damaging crops. They can spray crops quickly while ensuring that chemicals are distributed evenly. This not only saves time, but also reduces chemical waste. Tea plantations, coffee farms, flower farms, sugarcane plantations, rice schemes, and avocado orchards are among the agricultural enterprises that can benefit from drone spraying. The ability to cover large areas quickly makes this service attractive to commercial farmers seeking higher productivity. Drone spraying is particularly valuable in situations where crops are densely planted or where fields become difficult to access during rainy seasons. In some cases, drones can complete spraying tasks in a fraction of the time required by conventional methods. For entrepreneurs, drone spraying offers strong revenue potential because services are usually charged per acre. Large farms may require multiple spraying sessions during a growing season, creating repeat business opportunities. Operators who combine spraying services with crop monitoring can offer complete solutions that provide even greater value to clients. A third niche with significant potential is drone mapping and surveying. Both agriculture and real estate require accurate information about land. Traditionally, surveys involved extensive fieldwork, expensive equipment, and lengthy project timelines. Drones have dramatically improved this process. By flying over a property or farm, drones can create highly detailed maps and three-dimensional models. These maps help landowners understand terrain features, boundaries, drainage patterns, and elevation changes. The information can then be used for planning and decision-making. In agriculture, drone mapping supports irrigation design, soil conservation projects, road planning, and farm expansion. A farmer planning to install a new irrigation system can use drone-generated maps to identify the most efficient layout. This helps reduce costs while improving water management. In luxury real estate, drone surveying is becoming increasingly important. Developers need accurate land data before beginning construction projects. Detailed maps help architects, engineers, and planners design projects more effectively. They also assist investors in evaluating potential development sites. Large housing estates, golf communities, holiday resorts, and mixed-use developments frequently require detailed mapping services. Since these projects involve significant investments, developers are willing to pay for accurate information that reduces risk and improves project outcomes. Drone operators who specialize in mapping and surveying often work closely with surveyors, engineers, architects, and developers. This creates opportunities for long-term partnerships and consistent business growth. Luxury real estate marketing represents another profitable niche that continues to grow in Kenya. High-end properties are often purchased based on lifestyle and experience, rather than simply the number of bedrooms or square footage. Buyers want to see the surroundings, views, amenities, and overall atmosphere of a property. Drone technology makes this possible through stunning aerial photography and videography. Aerial footage can showcase a luxury home, gated community, beachfront villa, golf estate, or commercial development from unique perspectives that traditional photography cannot achieve. When a potential buyer watches a professionally produced drone video, they gain a much better understanding of the property's location, accessibility, landscaping, and surrounding environment. This creates stronger emotional connections and increases buyer interest. Luxury real estate agents, developers, hospitality businesses, and property management companies increasingly rely on drone content to attract clients. Premium marketing packages often include aerial videos, promotional photography, virtual tours, and social media content. A single luxury property marketing project can generate substantial income. Depending on the complexity of the work, professional drone operators may charge anywhere from tens of thousands to well over 100,000 Kenya shillings for premium marketing campaigns. The growing influence of digital marketing further increases demand for these services. Buyers increasingly begin their property search online, making high-quality visual content more important than ever before. The fifth profitable drone niche involves inspection services. Many structures require regular inspections for maintenance, safety, and operational efficiency. Traditionally, inspections may involve ladders, scaffolding, cranes, or risky manual procedures. Drones offer a safer and more cost-effective alternative. In agriculture, drones can inspect irrigation systems, reservoirs, storage facilities, greenhouses, solar installations, and livestock infrastructure. Instead of sending workers to inspect large facilities manually, operators can use drones to collect detailed imagery quickly and safely. In luxury real estate, drones are used to inspect roofs, facades, solar panels, gutters, construction projects, and other structures. High-resolution cameras allow inspectors to identify damage, where leaks or maintenance issues without physical access. Thermal imaging technology adds another layer of value. Thermal cameras can detect hidden problems such as moisture intrusion, heat loss, electrical faults, and insulation deficiencies. This information helps property owners address issues before they become expensive repairs. Inspection services are attractive because they often require specialized expertise and equipment. Clients are willing to pay premium rates for accurate assessments that improve safety and reduce maintenance costs. The future of drone services in Kenya looks extremely promising. Advances in artificial intelligence, automation, data analytics, and sensor technology are making drones even more valuable. Rather than simply collecting images, modern drone systems provide actionable insights that help businesses make better decisions. Farmers can use drone-generated data to predict crop performance, optimize resource allocation, and improve yields. Real estate developers can monitor projects more effectively, reduce delays, and improve marketing outcomes. Surveyors can complete projects faster while maintaining high levels of accuracy. As adoption continues to grow, demand for skilled drone operators is expected to increase. Entrepreneurs who invest in training, equipment, and professional service delivery today will be well positioned to benefit from this growing market. Starting a drone service business requires planning and commitment. Operators should invest in proper training, understand applicable regulations, maintain insurance coverage, and focus on delivering measurable value to clients. Building a reputation for reliability and professionalism is essential for long-term success. For many entrepreneurs, the greatest opportunity lies in specialization. Instead of offering general drone services, focusing on specific niches such as precision agriculture, spraying, surveying, luxury real estate marketing, or inspections can create stronger competitive advantages and higher profit margins. Kenya's agricultural and real estate sectors are evolving rapidly, and drones are becoming an important part of that transformation. Businesses and property owners are increasingly recognizing the value of aerial data, precision operations, and advanced analytics. As a result, drone service providers have an opportunity to build profitable enterprises while helping clients improve productivity, reduce costs, and achieve better results. For ambitious entrepreneurs looking for a future-focused business opportunity, specialized drone services represent one of the most exciting and scalable ventures available today. The technology is proven, demand is growing, and the potential for long-term success continues to expand across the country. /span/p/body